How to turn on and use NFC on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, let's confirm if your iPhone supports NFC. iPhones from iPhone 6 and newer all come with NFC built-in, so if you have got a recent model, you are good to go. Now, head over to the app shortcuts. This is the default app on your device. If you cannot find this app, you can head over to App Store, search for it, and then download it. Now, navigate to the Automation tab. Then click on this plus option given at the top right. Once it appears, scroll down and navigate to the option NFC, or also you can search for it. At the bottom, you're gonna see the search box. Once it appears, click on it. Now click on Scan. Your iPhone will say ready to scan. Hold the top part of your iPhone near the camera close to an NFC tag. It will automatically recognize it and trigger whatever action you assign later. And that's it. That's how you turn on and use NFC on your iPhone using Apple's Shortcuts app. Perfect for automation, smart tags, or contactless tasks. If this helped, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.